How to get next day delivery in Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can get next day delivery in Amazon. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First step, open up your Amazon. Now, to get next day delivery in Amazon, you'll need to be a member of Amazon Prime. If you are a member of Amazon Prime, you'll get a Prime written right here in the Amazon's logo. So here you'll need to utilize Amazon Prime's feature that is free 1 day. So what happens is when you search for an item here, so let's say I'm searching for a microwave. If I'm searching for an item here, you'll get an option that says Amazon Prime. So all you have to do is press on the Amazon Prime option right here and click on it. You get an option like this that shows Amazon Prime or Prime's logo. So all you have to do is press on that very product. That product will be, Prime. There you can see the Prime option. It's ticked right there. So all you have to do here is check for the delivery date, which should be available right here, and it will be, right tomorrow. So if I order today, I should be getting it tomorrow. So here you can see the Prime logo again. So if I head over to this product, it should be delivered to me by the next day. And yeah, that's how Prime works. All you have to do is be a member of Prime, and you should be able to get your delivery right next day. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.